or surprised.
Very good. Now, somebody listening, and what would be your recommendations when it comes to choosing the right plan for their needs?
Yeah, so what it comes down to is I think it's important to find a trusted agent like myself. Through referrals, if people know that they've worked with me, I'm not a hard seller. I really ask questions about what's important to them. If I ask you, Sliver, is freedom of choice the most important thing to you, and you say yes to me, then I'm going to guide you towards Medicare supplement plan for all the reasons that we discussed earlier. If you told me, hey, you know what? Freedom of choice is not the most important thing to me. I've been on PPOs and HMOs my whole life. They've worked for me. I've somehow been able to figure out specialists in the hospitals to go to within my network. I'm fine working within those networks. And if my doctor drops out next year or the hospitals that I go to drop out, I'm okay with that. I'll just pivot and find another one. Because at the end of the day, I'm not paying a premium.
Right.
If you say that's what I can afford right now, I can't afford a monthly premium. What I do argue against is I do think health is the most important thing that we have in our lives, right? And some people tell me they can't afford a premium. Everyone's financial circumstances are different. But I look at it for like maybe the cost of maybe a dinner or two a month. If you forego that and don't go out to a nice dinner, you can afford your premium to give you that financial freedom, freedom of choice. Again, it's a personal preference. People spend their discretionary or their income how they choose fit. To me, I prioritize health. And I ask people when I interview with them, how do you prioritize your health? Is it at the top or is it at the bottom of your list? Or is it about saving money?